Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can share your Instagram account link on WhatsApp. I will show you how you can share your own profile link as well as how you can also copy and share someone else's Instagram profile link. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to share your Instagram account link on WhatsApp. So maybe you're trying to send a link of your Instagram account on your WhatsApp chat, maybe to your own friends, but you're not being able to find the copy option of your profile URL. So that is because from the Instagram itself, you will not be able to copy your own link. It is easier to copy someone else's link, but if you want to copy your own link, you will not be able to do so. In order to copy our own link on Instagram and share them on WhatsApp, we have to simply log into Instagram from our browser. So go ahead and open any of the browser which you have, and in the search box you want to simply type in instagram.com. Go to instagram.com and log into your account. If you're not sure about the link, I will also make sure to leave them down in the description box, so go ahead and simply check that out. Once you log into instagram.com, what you want to do is from the very bottom right you can see your profile icon. So you have to simply tap on your profile icon to go to your profile page. Now over here as well, you will not be able to find the copy URL option, and in order to copy our link of Instagram profile, at the very top you can see that address bar. All we have to do is simply tap on that address bar. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see this copy icon. So what you have to do is simply copy the URL which is shown over here. So once you copy that URL, now you can exit out of your browser and then you can open WhatsApp. As soon as you open WhatsApp, you can open any of the friends to whom you might want to share your Instagram account link to, and you could basically go ahead and simply tap on the paste button which you see. As soon as you paste your own profile link, you could simply tap on the send button. Now this is how you can share your own profile link. Let's say you want to share someone else's profile link, you could go ahead and simply open Instagram. So this time you can do it from the app itself, and you can open any of the profiles. On the very top right hand side you can see this three dot icon. You have to simply tap on that three dot icon and then simply tap on share this profile which you see at the bottom. As you tap on share this profile, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options which you can share them on your WhatsApp friends. But if you want to share them to WhatsApp, what you could do is we have to go ahead and simply tap on copy the URL. So go ahead and tap on copy profile URL, and again you can come back to your WhatsApp app and then simply go ahead and paste that particular link. Now let me just go ahead and show you by tapping on these links. If I tap on the first link, it is basically going to take you to your own profile on the Instagram app, and if you go ahead and tap on the second link, let's say for example, it is basically going to also load that Instagram app as well. And this is how you could very easily share Instagram account link on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.